your gateway to AI and the cloud. Get a
AWS EC2 Services. S3, a serverless service that allows you to store data as objects. It is an object-based storage system, and of course it has servers, but you don't really care about those servers because AWS manage them for every user using the service. AMI, a template for a server. It holds the details of the server or instance like the OS, disk data, and metadata. AMI contains one or more snapshots of the attached volumes of your instance. AMI are stored in S3 and thus can be used across AZs. AMI are not active. They are like the passive equivalents of your server, or more better, they are cheaper alternatives of your stopped servers. But then unlike a stopped instance, you lose the faster startup compared to using an AMI. You cannot interact with them except you use it to create a new server which you can then interact with. Very useful for reconfiguring an existing server. EBS, a virtual hard drive. It is a kind of virtual splitting of a physical hard drive in a data center. A technology allows multiple users to share a huge hard drive. One person can have 2 gigabytes. Another can have 10 gigabytes of it. Another can have 50 gigabytes of it. Having so many people use a hardware is called multi-tenancy. EBS are attached to your server. More than one can be attached. So while you access a virtual server to host a website, run a software, or host a database, the EBS is where the OS, your files, the software is stored, and it is active cause you are suing it currently. You can read from and write to it in real time. It exists in a specific AZ. Snapshot. It is a backup or point-in-time backup of your virtual hard drive. It is a technology that stores your virtual hard drive data in a passive form. You cannot use the data directly from it, but it is persisted, can then be used later when it is converted to an active data which is stored on an EBS and can be interacted with. You cannot use a snapshot directly, you must convert it to EBS volume. Snapshot data are stored in S3, thus available across all AZ in a region AMD cheaper.
If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.